Hello here, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have another one, Lynxx. Lynxx is an application that is going to help you unleash Instagram power with AI software, and this very software is actually going to help you create Instagram images, Instagram reels, posts. Instagram AI bot is there, and you have Instagram caption, Instagram article, pages, and of course hashtags for your Instagram post. It's actually dedicated to Instagram platform where you will be able to generate a lot of sales and make a lot of money because of the amount of traffic that you will be exposed to when you produce content with this very application, which gives you basically everything, including videos that you can post and of course embed your affiliate link or whatever else you are promoting. It's a crazy one from Mbadiwe, and it went live on the 18th of February 2024. And of course, as I speak to you, this very product is live, and you can pick up a copy for yourself. And to do that, that first link below in my description will definitely bring you to the sales page, which is exactly this, where you are going to have access to a button that is going to help you pick up a copy for yourself. This is one of the buttons, and there are a few others scattered all over this very page where you are going to have access to take advantage of this amazing product and see if this is going to be for you. So it's something we will talk about in a very short time, but for now let us take a look at some of the benefits. Before I go any further, I will encourage you, if you are new to my channel, to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notification. Now let us take a look at some of the very benefits. This link is one of the links that is going to give you access. And then of course you see some of the very benefits we have with this amazing product. I think if you hang on a minute, I'm going to put you across with some of the benefits that we have here. I think I saw them earlier, and then you will be able to see if this is going to be for you. Otherwise, we actually go further with this one. Now, if you are new to my channel, like I said, try to subscribe, and of course I will take you, if you stick with me, to the very bonuses that I have lined up for you, which are actually going to help you a lot. And you have also access to the very dashboard area of this amazing product, Lynxx from Mbadiwe. And then we'll go through some of these tabs and see if we can create some of the things that is required to be done in case you want to take a look at this. Let's go through the sales page and of course see if this is going to be for you. You can grab a copy and start from today to create amazing Instagram posts, Instagram videos, images, which you can use to actually create banners that you can embed with your affiliate link or whatever else you are actually promoting there. Okay, so it's very explicit, and you will be able to take a look at some of these income proofs from some of the money that has been made by this very creator, which is Mbadiwe himself. Okay, so at your convenience, when you arrive here, we'll be able to actually go through this sales page and see if this is going to be for you. Normally, it takes nothing to get involved with making money online using Instagram platform, because you'll be able to create all the things you want for yourself. And like I said before, I will leave the rest of this. These are some of the things, like Lionel Messi has 1.7 million. Okay, for one sponsor post, and you have so many other things you can talk about. Okay, and you can use this very application to actually create. I will leave the rest of the review of this sales page to you when you arrive here, so that you will be able to take a look and consider if this is going to be for you. But believe me, the intention is there, the idea is there, and then all you need to do is to make up your mind if you want to make money using the Instagram platform to actually do so. Now let us see the very members area. This is how you can create the Instagram images. It's going to open you up to another page, which is where you are going to upload your own image, or you create from scratch. This is for Instagram images. And then you have also the Instagram story or reels, which is supposed to be a video. Okay, so you have a lot of videos here to choose from. These are templates that you can choose from. This one has been used 9 times. Save the Planet. Depending on your niche, you will be able to actually make a choice of the templates, and then you can, for example, tweak the thing to suit whatever you are projecting. by actually changing the text here with any of the very characters you want by choosing from here. This is Oxford. You can also edit this one, edit whatever, put your telephone number and okay, every other thing, and you see the video, and then you may be promoting a fitness product or health product. This may be another banner or video you are going to use. There are a lot of them you can choose from, okay, which are templates that are scattered all over here. So you can choose anyone you want depending on your niche, and it will do the same job for you. You can actually import images, import text, add elements like arrows if you want, and then add your own audios and layers depending on how many layers of video you want to create for the time you want to create the video. I mean, duration of the video, if you understand what I mean. So that's about what you have with that very button for Instagram Reels and Stories. And here you have the Instagram post button, which means you can actually create a post by entering a keyword like lifestyle, for example, and then you choose video. In case you want to create video or image, you have the choice of creating image as well, but let's go for the video, and you leave it at landscape instead of portrait. Okay, landscape is all right, and then I believe you actually generate. Okay, so it's going to churn out videos that you can actually download to get all the job done depending on what you are promoting. This is lifestyle. It could be through health, fitness. It could be through your normal preferences as a person. It depends on what you want, so you can make choice of any of these, and then of course edit it, and then be able to use it for your videos, okay, in case you want to create posts on videos, and then we go from there. Okay, so that's about what you have with that one. You can use rap, you can use hip-hop, you can use classical in case you want to add music, and then these are all royalty free. Okay, so you have that going for you with that arrangement. So now let's see, go back and see the rest of the applications that we have back another time, so that you see. So now here is the one for your Instagram AI bot, which means this very AI bot, if it is installed, will be able to help you actually interact with your audience in the way of conversation. In case you are not there to answer directly immediately to your customers, this very bot will be able to do so for you. You can write hi, and definitely it has the ability to respond to you. If you just wait a second, hello there, how may I be of assistance to you? So you see, it's interactive, and you can always use that in your marketing. You have also the caption in case you want to capture the audience on a thumbnail, which will definitely attract the audience to click on your work, and then this very application will be able to help you to get the adequate caption that you need for a particular post on any niche of your choice. You have Instagram article, with which you can type your article by actually just using a keyword, how to stay fit, for example. Let's see if you are going to churn out something. Okay, yeah, this is what it says. Staying fit is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It helps to improve your physical and mental health and reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases. It goes on, and you can always copy this and of course use it to generate any content you want for Instagram. Okay, so that's about the much we can go on this one. I think we'll have other things, Instagram pages and Instagram hashtags, to help your video locate the necessary audience which are targeted to whatever your keyword is. Okay, so that's about where this becomes very, very interesting. When you arrive here, you can click this button. If you find anything confusing, you'll be able to watch the training, and I will leave the link to the demo video of this product in action in my description. For now, let us take a look at the pricing, and we'll go from there, and of course see my bonuses. Now the front end goes for $17, which gives you access to this amazing dashboard area, and you'll be able to actually do your job. Now you have the upsell number 1, which is the unlimited edition, goes for $147. This is the world's first and only miracle bot powered by Google AI and unlimited free traffic and more with this very upgrade, which is the unlimited edition. You have the upgrade number 2, which is done for you setup. It goes for 297. Basically everything is done for you by the team. You have no reason to lift any finger. You have upgrade number 3 for autopilot edition. It goes for $39. Upsell number 4. Upgrade number 4 will be the done for you 200 done for you campaigns edition for $39. You have upgrade number 5, which is the franchise edition for $197, and here your customers will get bumped up to 85% across the entire funnel with additional tutorials on promoting the funnel in order to make sales. So that's about what you have as pricing. Very affordable for what it does, and of course it's for Instagram platform, and you know that's a very huge one, and results will definitely follow. Okay, so now let's see the amazing bonuses that I have for you. Number 1 will be Latitude, which is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push button profits, a training course that is going to teach you how to make money with NFTs on blockchain digital art exchange for non-fungible tokens. You have also TweetX as bonus number 2, which is how to crack Twitter traffic, which is X platform now, and divert that traffic to any offer or your choice, including even your Instagram page. Okay, so you have number 3 as Insurgency, a beginner-friendly training on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You have Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is a sniper mechanism that is actually helps you locate free buyer traffic online and snipe it even when you are sleeping. Now you have the number 5 as JavaScript Commission Bot, which is another bot just like we have in this Lynxx product for this very bot system. Okay. And you'll be able to actually get this installed, and it will help you make 4-figure daily commissions driving traffic from different sources online. You have number 6 as Lockdown Formula, which is my favorite, which is where exactly I started 2.5 years ago. This training helped me a lot, and it is going to teach you how to start from scratch and begin to get a stable income online. Okay, and of course the commissions toolbox, my last very bonus for you. It has over 1,000 different links for digital marketing tools that will help you build or create anything, including video editors, video background removers, you know, voiceovers, everything, generators of different kinds. So at that point you'll be able to have information exactly on how you can do certain things you look to do with amazing tools that will help you do so. So that's about the much I have for this very bonus page. Now for now, at any point you decide, like I said before, that first link below in my description will bring you to the sales page, where you are going to find the buttons that will help you pick up a copy by choice, and we'll be able to actually arrive at the Warrior Plus platform, where this very product is launched and hosted. This button will give you access to that. After purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this. This button gives you access to Lynxx application. You have this blue one giving you access to my amazing bonuses. If my bonuses do not work with this link, you write me by email, and then I will send a copy of the bonuses to you, and you'll be able to receive it. Okay, that email is associated with my Warrior Plus account for your information. Okay, so this is exactly where we are going to begin to find an end to this review for today for Lynxx. I will encourage you that this very product has gone live yesterday, the 18th, and of course you'll be able to pick up a copy as we speak. Okay, this is definitely going to help you turn your 2024 into money-making opportunity with Instagram platform. Okay, so and it does that, and you have the chance of making a lot of money depending on what you are promoting. So it's live. You can pick up a copy for yourself, and I will encourage you to go ahead to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification. I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, I'm Mbadiwe of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, guys. From here, it's goodbye.